In this video, we're going to explain the sample inspection report and show you how to prepare it step by step. The initial sample inspection report is an essential PPAP step. It documents test results that confirm a product meets customer technical requirements. Usually, it's conducted by a supplier on initial samples, but it can also be used for general quality inspections. Let's see how to prepare a sample inspection report step by step, with examples. Step 1. Determine the dedication of the report. This includes basic information about the part, inspection reason, and who is conducting the inspection. Example: inspection reason, #PAP-1214, new part qualification, inspector name, Thomas Berg, issue date, the 26th of January 2026, part number, ZZ00124502401, revision level, R, part description, hex screw, drawing number, ZZ0012450, drawing revision level, AB, supplier name, Bolt Company. Location, Berlin, Germany, PO, 34,020,220,312, sample size, 5. Date, the 2nd of February 2022. Step 2. Specify if measurements are in metric or inch. Step 3. Specify the items to be checked. These should match the technical drawing and include dimensions, notes, and key features. Often, a drawing with balloons is prepared for reference. Step 4. Determine tolerances for each element. This means noting the lower specification limit, LSL, and upper specification limit, USL, for each measured characteristic. Step 5. Record the tools or methods used for each inspection element. For example, calipers, micrometers, gauges, fixtures, or visual inspections. Step 6. Record the results for each sample. You can mark yes or a tick if the sample meets the specification, or record the actual measurement, like 0.2 mm, for each of the 1 to 5 samples. Finally, note whether the part is accepted if all samples conform. Step 7. Add remarks. If a sample does not conform, record which one in the samples section and describe the deviation in the remarks section. So, what are the benefits of using a sample inspection report? Provides documented evidence that parts meet technical requirements, ensures traceability and accountability in inspections, helps identify deviations early before mass production, supports quality audits and customer approvals, facilitates consistent communication between supplier and customer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into quality and process management.